Hi everyone, welcome to another video of Excel tutorial series. In this video, we will see the SUMIFS function in Excel and how to implement them with practical examples. So here's my Excel sheet, and here you can see the data in which you can see the ship mode, customer name, segment, city, state, region, category, subcategory, sale amount and quantity. Now I have three questions here. First of all, I need to calculate sales from the south region only, means total sales. So I need to calculate the total sales value total sales value from the south region. There are multiple regions here: west, northeast, midwest, south, west, northeast, south, south. It is a simple query. I will just try to solve it using SUMIFS function. To write SUMIFS function, you need to simply give equals to, then you need to write the name of the function, SUMIFS. Okay, now the sum range, which is actually our sale amount, we need to sum this one. So this one, then I will put a comma, and if it says that the criteria range 1. So my criteria range 1 is actually the region in which we have to search the south value and the actual criteria value. So in the criteria, I will provide the south and it ends my criteria 1. So I will press enter. So it calculated the total sales amount of 5380 from the south. So this one is from south, this one is from south, and this one is from south, and this one is from south. It was the end of our first example. That in the second example, we will see how to deal with multiple criteria. So here I need to calculate furniture sales from south region. Like the region should be south and the category must be furniture. So I need to combine these two criteria and I need to calculate the sales amount based on that. So similarly, we will try it using a SUMIFS function. So I will give the name of the function SUMIFS. Then the sum range is in the sale amount, where I need to sum the values based on the criteria. So criteria range 1 is basically our region in which our value is south. So I will give the value of the criteria 1 as south. Then we will move on to the criteria range 2. The criteria range 2 is category, the whole category where we need to search furniture. So, and the criteria 2, the value for the criteria 2 is furniture. We need to calculate the furniture sales in the south. So I will close my bracket and press enter. So you can see it calculated the furniture sales from the south region, which are 24, like south and furniture. Let me just highlight them so that I can see whether it's correct or not. There are only 2 furniture sales in the south region, which constitute to 800 plus 1600, and it is equals 2400. So our calculation was correct. Now in the third example, I need to actually combine 3 criteria, like corporate sector south furniture sales. Like my segment should be corporate and my region should be south and my category should be furniture. So there are 3 criteria basically in this one. So let's try to apply SUMIFS function to calculate the value for this example. I will just write SUMIFS. Okay, then I will give the sum range, which is sale amount in our case. And then I will give the criteria range 1. It doesn't matter in which order you give the criteria range. First, I will give the segment. Then I will give the value for the segment, which would be in my case corporate. Then the second criteria in my case is region. And the value for the region must be south. And the third criteria in my case is category. And the value in this case is furniture, because I want to calculate the furniture sales in south corporate sector. When I will press enter, so it calculated the same amount as above 2400, because all of my south furniture sales were in the corporate sector. So the value doesn't change here. That's it for this video on SUMIFS function in Microsoft Excel. I hope you liked this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Bye.